ថ្ងៃនេះយើងនឹងមកកែវិញ្ញាសាវេយ្យាករណ៍ភាសាអង់គ្លេស QCM 500 ថ្នាក់ទី12 Okay, let's go. Question number 1. By the time the police arrived, the thief blah blah way. A runs, B has run, C had run, D was running. So which one is the best answer? So នៅក្នុងប្រយោគនេះយើងមើលពាក្យ by the time កាលណាមាន clear by the time plus ជាមួយនឹង past simple arrived ចឹងសកម្មភាពមួយទៀតដែលកើតឡើងមុននោះគឺយើងត្រូវប្រើ past perfect ដែលមានទម្រង់ had plus verb 3 so the best answer is letter C had run. So now we correct together everyone. By the time the police arrived, the thief letter C had run away. Okay, good. Now go to question number 2.